Okay, for any of my affiliate marketing people out there, you'll know that I've been looking at the Megalink lately, and it's really interesting. I've been doing it for a while now, and it's been really helpful. It helps you to grow because it teaches you everything you need to know from absolute scratch, and you don't need any history of affiliate marketing. It may be that you've been in it for years, like I have, and struggled and gone up and down and bumped along the way, but you really wanted to find something that worked consistently, and that's what I'm dealing with the Megalink at the moment. And if you want to know more about it, just say yes, ask me, PM me, do whatever you need to do, because I think it's something you'd be really interested in. It's $7 to join. That's it. There's no upsells. You just join it, and it gives you everything you need to get going. Uh, that's all. One link, $7, no biggie. PM me if you want more information. It's worth it.